Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Cyber Crypto. I'm here with a new token video review. So friends, if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So before I proceed, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice but just a review on a token. So it's entirely your choice for investing. I will though advise you to do your own research. So friends, today I will review another token which is Wolf of Wall Street. It is something more than a coin, friends. Their mission is to be the alpha of cryptocurrency, and the whole community aims to achieve the same goal. And the most importantly, they believe in themselves and they will be doing it. So friends, they are going to be listed on Gecko coin website and their coin market in the next 12 to 24 hours, and that means the value of their coin will be doubled. Wolf of the Wall Street is a payment in the road ecosystem based on blockchain technology. Their ecosystem includes a payment process for both vendors and the customers, loyalty rewards which allows users to earn cryptocurrency while holding, staking platform allowing its holders to stake Wolf of the Wall rate and earn percentage of API. Marketplace development. NFT marketplace will be launched for trading NFTs. So friends, the white paper is given, you can read, you can just buy WWS. Okay, as I told you what exactly this WWS, how do you buy it? You see this yellow button here, buy the token now. Just click on it. It will take you to another interface like this. So you can see on my right side BNB, and here you can choose WWS. So which you have to do, you just need to connect the wallet and you are good to go. Going back, why would somebody be choosing the Wolf of Wall Street token? Because it is a stable network, fast and secure, stability, right, a gateway token, flexibility and easy to use. So every easy investment in WWS will be 12% slippage. Rewards are given, audit and KYC. They don't have any issues with the order itself. You should be buying it. How does the Wolf Street token works? I told you, they believe in trust. They feel it is the key to grow up in digital finance. As a result, Wolf of Wall Street is the next step ahead in Binance Smart Chain. Yield generation, the contracts, you will be getting incentives in BUSD rather than token reflections, and the contract has a fixed reward mechanism. Their system incentivizes investors by allowing them to receive dividends from other investors' transactions while holding the tokens. So you can see the contract address given here, and you can get your token now. Talking about their tokenomics, 65% of their reflections goes to liquidity, 20% marketing, so that they can make their community better and expand it, 5% airdrop and 10% to be burned. So the roadmap, what they have done so far in 2021 and what they are looking forward to do in 2022. So guys, I will be sharing all the links with you in the description to keep your confusion free. So guys, keep an eye on the description for all the links. You can join the Wolf of Wall Street community on Twitter. They have got their YouTube channel as well and Telegram. So don't forget to buy it, hold it, earn it and buy it again. I hope you find this video helpful. Do let me know about it in the comment section, and once again I remind you that they are doing to be listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap in 12 to 24 hours, and that means their value will be doubled. So don't forget to buy it. Okay, see you with another video soon. Till then, take care.